112 be county ya Nyamira niko bachorire mugasorero imiyomo cyo Nyamira mone kiumbi kirigia abasigari borosana gose Kenya Forest Services ire kugenda konyora amaigiri igoro yo gwikirania obukoreri obuya imi county ya Nyamira amaigiri ayo a paramilitary ni gago chaka chitariki sana na iso cyumutinyo gatatu mwako yoiga nenda kageire koira egeka cyumutinyi oyomo imeya londiani amanya goika omoelio komenta nayo nigo naende agochia kwegeria abasigari be county komanya buna bagokora egasi yabo nabo igo kubwaterana n'abasigari bande bali bakorokora serikali enene nagotumanya umurikito Vincent Monda
Omoye goyu ochaka chinsesa to chiarero mambia asegeti ya Jamhuri Gardens yo Nyamira nigo bwaterania abo bisaba enforcement kuruchi sub county chonsi sano Nyamira kago kwana nensoko TV umu director wa enforcement na compliance Shem Onchiri niga tabirubuna amageri ayo na chego konya abo bisabu be county eligo kolega siabo buya abwase osangiririe bango buya ereke mukiabo
twali koligereria abasikari baitobe county ya Nyamira twaligete aso koirwe kosi ya paramilitary ari rondiani law enforcement egere abasikari aba banyare kwegeri gubuya egasi bali keretwe bunego korwa ingakibago bf bamanya kibago nyara gusangereria ebango ya ito ase county ya Nyamira
eyenere entangani ase county ya Nyamira abwase bono igabisa emiye ya mona 12 batumiru guche konyora arengete koiro mutinyo yomo chitariki sano nesato umutinyo gatatu cyo mwakoyo iga omo inspector wa mayo forest and enforcement academy Patrick Uku nigatebire buna amagiri ayo nayo kubamenta abo bisabo chinguru anene mono kumanya chimbebe cyabo cyeri chiko nabo kubwaterana nebikosi inde bire bigo ikerania ari chiko.
The basis of this training is to empower the team with the law enforcement skills. We make an induction course specifically for county government by law. The essence of this training is actually to develop them to be able to mesh and work well with the other law enforcement agencies like our sister police, our sister agency Kenya Forest Service, we have our sister agency KWS, prison and what have you.
Bakorokia amogokobo abo bisabu be county nigo bamwiranire na kumwakira buyo mugabana bwe county Nyamira omuske amosinyaribo asoko iralibaga na kubwaterana nekyombekerie kya magiryo kya Kenya Forest Services
asamalita nguruku Dan Kanigesora wakirambia mono governor itogotwa opportunity ritwali rero gochora enforcement kuruchi sub county Chonspi bachikonyora mafunzo ba Misiri asenga kintambe.
Kwa majina ni Joyce Onkoba. I would like to thank the County Government of Nyamira for taking this step to train the officers. Also, I would like to thank the Department of Kenya Forest and Wildlife for coming for this noble exercise. It's my humble request that the county will continue offering such or training the officers.
Asamarieta nkoro kwa Commissioner John Ondari itukoria rero twabeire no mogoko monene tutaite koiraneri umugabano itongambu ya mono aretire gisaisi yeke ekiagera twakeganyereire senga kintambe
kagokwana weterenchera yesimi omowasiri wabakori emirema se county Nyamira umuske Kennedy Angwenyi nigatebire amasomo aya nayo kwagacha abo bisabe county Nyamira nabo igogokini obokoreri obuya
mubara bwonsi wa enforcement ye county tobwate barange 400 bona aba 110 na butotakete koiraro ndiani ali Forest College tegere basomiwe nganga kibago ja kuikerania amachiko ye county government ya Nyamira ntobwata amachiko mbali akoro ku registrations or acts and the policies to govern the county government ya Nyamira bakanyora amasomo ayo ndalibaraje ko manyanga kibago ikerania ase amachika ayo etotakete karaba ko amasomo bamanyanga kibago kolegasi yabo buya babwaterane na serikali enene
elio komento bokoreri amono bwasio kwaso bokoreri bwemeremo imeye county Nyamira abasigari ababe county nigo barabe bengencho mono asoko imokyo bosangereri bwe bango amono kwaneke buna amachiko ye county abwatiwe kegima inje Vincent Monda na kwariganiri aya imeye Nsoko TV.